Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video about the top 5 SEO strategies. So suppose you are a new business owner. Maybe you're in travel, plumbing, solar, or any other industry. Whatever your niche is, if you want to grow organically and build your online presence, this video is for you. We're going to cover the top 5 ways that you can help build your online presence. The best way to do this is through SEO, which is search engine optimization. So in this video, we're going to discuss the top 5 SEO strategies that can help your small business grow today. Let's begin with strategy number 1, optimize for local SEO. You absolutely need to optimize your business for a local search, but here's how to do it. First, you need to create a Google business profile. Then you need to optimize that profile with your targeted local keywords. Make sure that your Google business profile is fully optimized. That means you need to include your business name, address, contact number, or anything else that makes it easier for your potential customers to find you and contact you. Also, be sure that your business is listed in local directories. These are directories that are specific to your city. What should you do? Just Google and search things like directories in Texas or business directories in Texas, or whatever country or city you happen to be in. You'll find a list of websites. Now, make sure to list your business on those sites. Make sure to include products or services and always use your targeted keywords. For example, if you're a plumber, your target keyword might be plumbers in Austin, or it could be something like bakeries near me or solar panel services near me. Next, strategy 2. Focus on long tail keywords. Whether you're optimizing your website or your Google business profile, don't go super broad. Keywords need to be specific. Focus on long tail keywords that reflect how people are searching locally. Let's say that you're a plumbing business. Instead of targeting broad keywords like plumbing services, aim for something like plumbing services in Austin or plumber near me or best plumber in Austin. To find these keywords, you can use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest. Another great method is to start using Google Autocomplete. Just start typing your services into Google and see what suggestions come up. There are several search terms that people are using, and you can optimize your content for things like this. Check out all these examples. These are great key places to start your keyword research. Add these suggestions naturally to titles, meta descriptions, and headings. Next, let's move on to strategy 3. Create quality and helpful content. What you need to do is create high quality, SEO optimized content and publish it on your website. But remember, content should be written for the user first and then for search engines second. Your blog posts, service pages, and FAQs should provide real, useful information that benefits your audience. Make sure your content answers the questions that your potential customers are already asking. Keep it simple, direct, and helpful. Next, let's move on to strategy 4. This is how to get high-quality backlinks. If you're a business owner with a website, you need backlinks from other sites in your niche. Let's say you're a bakery owner. You need to connect with other local bakeries or food bloggers in your niche. Reach out to them via phone or email and ask if they'd be open to linking to your site. Sometimes this is free, sometimes it's a mutual exchange, or sometimes there's a little bit of a cost. Either way, backlinks from reputable sites can boost your SEO significantly. Next is strategy 5. Fix technical SEO basics. Let's say you've built your online presence. People are searching your brand name, landing on your website, but then they're leaving quickly. So why is that? Well, that's because the user experience isn't good. Maybe your website is loading too slowly, maybe your images take forever to appear, maybe buttons like book now don't work well on mobile devices. All these things drive visitors away. So you need to fix your technical SEO issues, improve your site speed, make sure images load fast, and ensure that every button and link works properly on both mobile and desktops. As more and more users are using mobile devices to search, this becomes more and more important. If your website is frustrating your users, they won't stay, and search engines will notice that. So here you have it, the top 5 SEO strategies that you can apply to your website, your business, or your Google business profile to build a stronger online presence as a small business owner. So like, comment, and subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, guys. Bye!